Now further the build of the auto assembly plant, Ned car, office block. The roofing supplied is basically just some anthracite dark grey plastic. Doesn't look very interesting, so I've done a bit of experimenting and I've come up with a roof that has a little bit of grain on it, and I'll just show how I made that. Some people use wet and dry sandpaper, and I thought of using that, but I've got some sand available, so I'm just going to use some sand, a regular band. So just spray a little bit of wet water and then cover the roofs with some 50% white glue, and just start spreading that out. And let this dry for a day or two. Get rid of the extra sand, and then we'll spray it with some anthracite grey to get the final color. Because the Walthers Autoplant kit has so little detail work, I've bought a kit with some roofing details, which I will add to the Autoplant to give it a little bit more character. I've also ordered some office equipment kits as well, and add them where necessary. So just a little bit of addition, but not part of the kit itself. Okay, I've been able to strengthen up the base now with these pieces. The Autoplant kit parts, once they're put together, the construction of the main parts, putting the walls together, there's not much to get hold of. All there is the two side pieces. I don't think that's enough to give it any strength, so in this model, not only the base but also the side walls, I've wanted to add strengthening and extra pieces to glue together, give it some form of strength. Otherwise there's nothing to hold the walls together. I think as far as the kit goes, it's very simple, a bit too simple, and you need these strengthening bits to put it all together. So that's what I'm doing at the moment. Alright, I'm completing the roofing section. The roof was, in this kit, is just one large set of 4 panels that you strengthen with some pieces of styrene, but that needs to be now supported, and all there was the outside wall for this kit. So I've put in a couple of braces as well. I may add some more to allow the roof to settle a little, like that. And at least it has some support. And now continuing with the roof. The major roof section I've sanded now. Added sand to the top, which I'll spray, give it some structure. And there are the ventilation roof section. I've added just a little bit of weathering to the metal roof air vents, and that'll go on top like that, and then the whole will go on top like that. Here I've just painted the air conditioning unit that'll go on the roof of the office building. I'm just going to give it a slight weathering with a black wash, particularly on the vents. Rainwater would collect at the bottom anyway, so I'm just going to let it run. This brings out just a little bit of detail. Okay, the Walthers auto plant, which will be the Nedcar stamping and auto assembly plant on the layout, is pretty much complete, at least for the YouTube model builders. The roof will be able to come off because they'll need to be able to add rails and cars in here as well. So just a quick look inside. I've added some detail in the office area, some desks and chairs and that sort of thing. And some roofing details as well. So we'll just put the roof back on and have a look around the plant. Alright, some close-ups. Just a little bit of weathering here and there. Decals added as well. Roofing details added. Some decals here to entrance door with a door number. Here are electrical boxes with a warning sign, high voltage. Bays 2 and 3 here. No smoking sign decal and also an electrical box there. Just going around the side here to the front. Some roofing details and an air conditioner, roof air conditioner, going around to the rear side. So as the sun sets slowly in the west, we hope, a final look at the plant. The evening shift is turned up, so the lights go on in the plant, ready for an evening's work. The reception area remains manned for evening visitors, and of course the office staff have gone home for the evening. That's it.